So if you have an iPhone, you know what are the most stressful thing is to see your battery life reduce. So I haven't used an iPhone before, but now I understand the stress. If you're also in that situation and do not know what to do, wait until the end of the video. I will tell you how to improve your battery performance and tell you something very crucial when you use your iPhone. So let's see what an iPhone battery and how it works. So stay until the end. I'll tell you some tricks to improve your battery life. So before that, make sure to subscribe. We're gonna hit 1,000 subscribers somehow this year. We are being here for 4 years now. Go and subscribe now. And also my merch is available right now. You can go and grab to help this channel. That will be amazing. You can go and grab your merch and help the community. So let's take this. How does this battery work? So the battery inside the iPhone is a typical lithium ion battery or lithium polymer battery. These type of batteries are commonly used in portable electronic devices due to their high energy density, lightweight design, and rechargeable capability. So basic concept of battery is store power. When you charge it, when you use it, it drains. So this is not an iPhone issue, right? But the most stress comes to an iPhone issue because Android does not show the battery health option. That's it. So this feature came in the 2018 iOS 11.3 version. After that, the battery health is shown on the settings. So Apple claimed their iPhone is designed to retain up to 80% of its original capacity at 500 cycles. So you might be thinking, what is a cycle? So an iPhone battery cycle refers to the process of charging from 0 to 100 and 100 to 0. That's one cycle. So after 80%, can't you use your iPhone? Yes, of course you can. The maximum potential is not taken, cannot push your phone to the maximum potential, but you can use your phone. But you have to charge many times per day. If you charge your phone 2 hours a day, now you have like 4 times a day. It might be double or triple. The battery will drain much quicker than it used to. Like an example, take a tank full of water, right? Imagine you put water from one end and take it from the other. Eventually, with the time, the dust and the drains are going to stuck in the bottom of the tank, right? It will cover up a certain percentage of the full tank. So like that, with time, it will cover up a certain percentage of the battery that you can't reuse. So can we stop the battery life degrading? Yes, of course we can. We can just take the iPhone and just keep it in a shelf, do not open the box and leave it there, and it will be fine. See, feels stupid, but still there are ways to reduce the speed of degrading of your battery life. This is not only for iPhone, MacBooks, iPads, every device that you use, you have that issue. So number one, make a charging routine. So if you can charge your phone at a certain time of the day, so imagine you're going to bed at 12 or 11, right? And you wake up at 5 or 6, right? So at that time period, charge your phone. So and overnight, the phone will get charged. So in the daytime, if the battery is going down, you can charge it again. So whatever feels comfortable for you. So this will create a pattern on your iPhone that will help to optimize your battery life. Point number 2, charge in the range of 40 to 80. So main point is do not let your battery die to 0. That's bad. That's not good for your phone. Not only iPhone, for every phone. Do not let it die. Not your computer. Don't let the battery die. That jump boost you have to give when it shut down completely, that's not good for the battery life. Long time, not good. And make sure to activate the battery optimizer on your iPhone. This will power up the trickle charge. When you hit 80%, the charging process will slow and trickle charge up to 100%. So from 0 to 80, it will fast charge, and from 80 to 100, it will trickle charge. If you want that juice right away, if you're in a hurry, just unplug it and plug it again, and it will go up quickly and charge you a full battery. Also, do not charge it 100% every single time. And also, this trickle charging is available up from the iPhone 11. So if you are down there, use the other tricks, not this one. Point number 3, avoid extreme ambient temperatures. For lithium-ion batteries, heat is a killer. The more your phone get heated, the more the battery will get affected. So for the iPhones, the best temperatures from 0 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius is a good range. Not too cold, not too hot. For the MacBooks, it's going to be 10 to 35 degrees Celsius. So, and also when you're charging, the phone get heated. So if the heat traps in your case, make sure when you're charging, the heat does not trap in your case. And when your phone heated due to the environment, or when you're charging, the phone get heated, or when you use excessive, the phone get heated. So that will affect your battery. definitely that's not good for your phone. When your iPhone get heated, let it cool down, let it settle down. Or when it's charging, if your back cover is trapping more heat inside your iPhone, remove the back cover, or throw your phone naked. Do not throw your phone. That came out really wrong. Tip number 4: use original accessories. One of the things most people just don't realize is how accessories are important. They go cheap on those, and no time soon they will feel the effects of it. Apple recommended cables or Apple cables, they are recommended because they are tested and they have a steady flow of current. In these Chinese ones and the low quality ones or unrecommended ones are maybe fancy, maybe cheap, but yeah, definitely Apple accessories are pretty expensive. Like for a charging brick this much, I can buy food or maybe a dinner at a great hotel. Of course, oh my god, you can. Jesus Christ. So what I'm saying is, in the long run, that will definitely will affect your battery health. Put some cash in the accessories also when you buy an iPhone. Just remember that. Tip number 5, the most and crucial one, is don't get controlled by your phone. It's very important. Don't go and check your battery life every single day, that it has reduced or not. Do not do that. That will build up more anxiety and stress that is not even necessary. Do not do that. That's not something you need to do. Oh, checking off the battery life. No. This is a device. You have to use it. Don't let it control your emotions about something that you can't control. You can reduce it. That's why I told you the above stuff. It's gonna happen. It's something inevitable. It's gonna happen. It's not. You can't stop it, right? As I told you, if you want to stop it, you can just throw your phone away. Just keep it there, rest it, and charge the full, and keep it there on the shelf. If you're using the phone, it's a sad truth, right? We all degrade. So don't let this device control you. That's all. So follow those tips, and that will make your battery life 10 times more improved than you were used to. So you cannot improve or increase your battery life. That's not gonna happen. So maybe you can just reducing the speed of degrading of the battery life using these tips and tricks. So I hope you guys learned about the battery, how it works, and how to optimize your battery. If you have a friend or someone who uses an iPhone, share this video. This video will be valuable for them. So that's been it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and we're gonna hit 1,000 subscribers this year somehow. We're gonna do it, and we'll try our best. So that's been it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.